Hello, Eric Franz here. This is my final presentation for teaching methods and technology. I guess a little bit of background on my plan for this next semester. My plan is to run a flipped classroom model, one in which I have the students do a lot of the reading and the PowerPoint reviews at home before class, and then come into class and we do mostly work to solidify that reading, whether that's Kahoot quiz, different handout activities, different projects, videos. Um, I think having the students do a lot of that reading at home just breaks up a lot of the monotony in class, and it affords us a lot more time to have discussions on what they're having questions with as far as what they've read. So in order to make sure students are doing that home reading, my plan is to start every class with a quick Kahoot quiz or something similar related to what they have been reading the week before lecture. So I guess without further ado, we'll get started here. So hey everybody, welcome to biology this week. As you can see, we have another Kahoot quiz. Go over some questions on what you guys read prior to class here. So if you could log in, looks like our game pin is 1532036. If you don't have a device with you today, that's fine. I have a few up in the front. But okay, I'll give everybody here a quick minute and we'll get logged in. All right, looks like we're ready to start. So first question, what is the name of the outermost layer of an animal cell? So you have four choices here. Would it be a chromosome, the cell wall, the nucleus, or the plasma membrane? All right, looks like everybody's in. And that's right, plasma membrane would be that outermost layer of the cell. Okay, next question. What are the two different kinds of genetic material found in the cell? Looks like your choices are PhD/MBA, and then we have NBA/NFL, RIP/FBI, or RNA/DNA. All right, good again. Yeah, the two types of genetic material found inside the cell are RNA and DNA. That is correct. Last question. What does the acronym ER stand for when referring to the cell? Again, ER. Would that be express return, epidermal regression, endoplasmic reticulum, endoscopic regularity? Okay, looks like we had a mixed answer here. The correct answer would be endoplasmic reticulum, ER. So you can imagine that can be a little bit long when you're discussing that. There's also two types of ER. We have smooth and rough. All right, so really quick, we'll just take a quick look at the PowerPoint that you guys read last night or over this last week. Cell basics, cell theory, all organisms are composed of cells. All cells come only from pre-existing cells. Okay, there's two main types of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. If you kind of follow this chart here, we had our first living cells were prokaryotes. Found in rocks 3.5 million years old, may have existed before that, but no fossils found yet. Okay. See, there's a nice model here of a bacterial cell. You can see that capsule or pill-shaped flagella on it. Flagella used for movement. So you can see you got that plasma membrane, the cell wall, and the capsule itself. So real quick, we'll do a quick video here. Found this video really good on some cell functions. So let's check it out.
Have three things in common, no matter what type of cell they are. All cells have a cell membrane, which separates the inside of the cell from its environment, cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like fluid, and DNA, which is the cell's genetic material. There are two broad categories of cells. The first category is eukaryotic cells. They have organelles, which include the nucleus and other special parts. Eukaryotic cells are more advanced, complex cells, such as those found in plants and animals. The second category is prokaryotic cells. They don't have a nucleus or membrane-enclosed organelles. They do have genetic material, but it's not contained within a nucleus. Prokaryotic cells are always one-celled or unicellular organisms, such as bacteria. So, what are organelles? Organelle means little organ. Organelles are the specialized parts of a cell that have unique jobs to perform. Let's start with the nucleus, the control center of the cell. The nucleus contains DNA, or genetic material. DNA dictates what the cell is going to do and how it's going to do it. Chromatin is the tangled, spread-out form of DNA found inside the nuclear membrane. When a cell is ready to divide, DNA condenses into structures known as chromosomes. The nucleus also contains a nucleolus, which is a structure where ribosomes are made. After ribosomes leave the nucleus, they will have the important job of synthesizing or making proteins. Outside the nucleus, the ribosomes and the rest of the organelles float around in cytoplasm, which is the jelly-like substance. Ribosomes may wander freely within the cytoplasm or attach to the endoplasmic reticulum, sometimes abbreviated as ER.
As you can see, a good video, just a quick overview of all of that cell structure material that we've read over the last week, ending there with a ER, or endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so what we'll do now is we will do a quick game together as a class. I'm going to have here an animal cell matching type game. So first question, we have the cell membrane. Anybody tell me where the cell membrane is? Here? Nope. About here. Yep, that'd be correct. Next one, we're looking for the cytoplasm. That'd be this in here, right? All this. That's correct. The mitochondria. Here? Nope. There we go. Now the nucleolus. Here? Good job. The Golgi complex. Here? Here? That's right. The lysosome. That's correct. The centriole. Where? Here? Good job. Ribosome. Here? Good job. Nuclear membrane. That's correct. Last one, rough ER. Smooth ER. Good job. All right, guys. Let's take a quick look at what we have for next week, and that'll do it for class today. Okay, so for next week, we'll go back here to Blackboard. So once we're in Blackboard here for next week, you can go to your class materials. Unit 3, DNA and Evolution. You'll have your chapter reading. Here's your due dates. We got chapter 11, 12, 14, 15, and 16, okay? If you want, like I said, always a good idea to bring in the class notes. You can pull them up real quick. Take a look at what we're going to be going over in lecture. But yeah, make sure you do that at-home reading. That way we're a few steps ahead for our Kahoot quiz as well as for our activities, okay? So you're going to have DNA and RNA structure function, RNA structure, okay, gene regulation. It's a pretty detailed few chapters here, so bring any questions you have to class. We'll happy to do a discussion on it. As always, if there's any questions, you can email me or give me a call and we can get something set up. Anyway, okay, hope you have a good day. Thank you.